Hey guys, it's Frank Del Rio. We're out here in the city of Baldwin Park. If you're not familiar, Baldwin Park's been around for 142 years. It was actually a cattle grazing area, part of the San Gabriel mission back then. Another fun fact is this is the first In-N-Out that was actually in California, was here in Baldwin Park, first drive-through, which was a long time ago. So it's got a lot of fun, interesting comments, but today we're not here for the burgers. We're here for this property here. We're at 13331 Belgate Street. This property, you're gonna be amazed. It's first time on the market, over 42 years, but the owner spared no expense in upgrading it to go to market, and I can't wait for you to see this property. Let's go check it out. Hello, welcome home. This is Belgate Street. Get inside here. You are in for a treat. Right when you come inside, what do you notice? Just this massive open floor plan, right? You don't really see homes cut up this way here in Baldwin Park. They're usually a little bit more compartmentalized, not with this property here. It's nice and open. You've got the beautiful wood flooring. This is the original floors. They had them repolished and resurfaced. I mean, they just look beautiful. You don't see floors like this too often. Up top, high ceilings, recessed lighting, LED all the way through, nice and bright in here. And then it opens up right into your kitchen. So the kitchen comes with the granite. You got the space for the stove, the refrigerator does come with a dishwasher and the microwave up top. You've got these beautiful granite countertops. I just love how it opens up into the living area. So a lot of entertaining right here is gonna be happening. But then also, you could see what's going on outside of your front yard as well. And then you can have a little dining setting right here, maybe in this nook. So this is where your tables will go. You can hang out, or you can put more cabinetry if you'd like. And then a really neat feature that you don't see in a lot of these homes is this walk-in laundry and pantry room. Very rare. Most of the laundries you see in the garage in these properties, but not in this one here. They really opened it up nicely. I mean, it's literally a walk-in pantry with access to outside and the garage. So you can come in. It's not a direct access to the garage, but it is an attached one-car garage, and you can come right through your pantry area, which is really nice. You got a lot of space. They continued on with the granite in the laundry area as well, which is really beautiful for the consistency. Now let's get you over here. This space, you could do a lot of things with. Okay, you can have a massive living area, right? You can put the big TV here so that this way the kitchen and the nook area sees it, or you can do the television over here and really separate the two, but it's really whatever you're feeling, whatever flow you want to run with. I do like that because of the windows and the dual pane windows and the sliders, you get a lot more natural sunshine here as well. So before you take a step outside, you have this really nice bathroom, full bath, shower, the whole bit is really nice, little access point here. And then we've got the other bathroom and the bedrooms on the other side of the property. So entertain over here, sleep over here. It's a nice separation of the property. Go take a look at those bedrooms and bathrooms, and I'll meet you outside in the backyard. I hope you enjoyed that inside, right? What's a beautiful inside if not complemented by a great backyard? This backyard, you know, it's over 6,000 square foot on the lot, but it is just sectioned out beautifully. You've got a lot of space out here. We're standing on the DG on this side, but over here they planted seed. You've got the fertilizer. So that grass is going to be coming in roughly in about a couple of weeks to maybe a month or so. You've got already mature avocado trees. These are going to come in handy in the spring and summer. You've got orange, you've got lime. I just like the overall space because you could do so much with it back here. You know, if you've got kids, you've got animals, you've got plenty of room for them to have fun out here. Look at the fencing, the block wall. It's very private. You feel a little bit secluded back here, which I love, but you also have the space to have a party, to have get-togethers, or just hang out and enjoy the day. You've got a covered patio area here. It does look a little bit weathered, but for the age of the home, it's holding up beautifully. You've got the built-in barbecue, very old school. You can scrap it and put your own, or you can put your charcoal and your wood in there and keep the party going with the built-in barbecue. backyard-wise. You've got 2 access points. You've got a side yard take you out to the front through the driveway, and then you have another side yard here which will take you out to the grass side area. So a lot of access points here. The backyard itself, it lights up beautifully at night. You got rain gutters that go all throughout the property, which is excellent for drainage. So overall, you're getting more than just, your basic backyard. You're getting room to entertain. You're getting room to actually add your own, flair of what you desire for your home. You could put in a built-in barbecue. You can scrap this and put in an outdoor gazebo, or maybe even put a pool in. You have the room to do it. That's what I love about this property. Let's recap in the front yard. I hope you enjoyed this tour of Belgate Street. So let's recap. We've got 3 beautiful bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, completely remodeled, you guys, from top to bottom. The flooring, the lighting, the electrical, the kitchen, the bathrooms, the list goes on, right? This is move-in ready. First time on the market in over 42 years, you guys, but the owner spared no expense in remodeling it to get it ready for market. More importantly, your close proximity to the freeway. The 605 freeway is right down the street. You can get to the 10, to the 60, the 210, make your way to LA, make your way to Orange County, go to the Foothills, all in close proximity. Also, for recreation, you've got the Santa Fe Dam recreation area right around the corner. Great there in the summer and springtime. You've got Morgan Park. They do all the festivities, concerts in the park. They've got a splash pad. There's so much fun stuff you could do there. You're close to schools, some nice foodie spots. What more can you ask for? With the marketplace where it is today and the limited supply of homes, trust me, this home will not last long. If you want to see this home in person, I'd love to show it to you. Call me, text me, 714-335-0844. Take care.